Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use and connect your original Nintendo Switch Pro controller to your Nintendo Switch 2. So what we're going to be doing is going to our home screen on our Switch 2 by clicking the home button on our right Joy-Con. We're then going to be looking for the Joy-Con emoji here at the bottom, this icon. We're going to be clicking this open, and here we're going to be brought to the controller screen. From this point, we're going to be clicking change grip or order. And once we're here, we will then see this UI. From this point, you want to grab your Switch Pro controller and you want to press and hold this button here right next to our USB-C charging port. Now, I find that using my finger is a bit too fat, that I cannot actually press this correctly. So I have to get a pin or any other device that I can press in and hold on this controller. So you have to make sure you actually hear an audible click when doing this, and it might take a couple of attempts. Now, when done correctly, you will see a flashing searching icon here. And eventually it will connect automatically to your Nintendo Switch. If it's also searching, you will see a bing and you will automatically see that now I have a new icon here appearing for my new Nintendo Switch Pro controller. From this point, I can just click the A button and now I can use my Pro controller just like any other normal controller on my Nintendo Switch. So it works just as you would expect. The only thing that does not work, which is a bit frustrating, is actually waking up the Nintendo Switch. That is sadly only available with the new Nintendo Switch 2 Pro controller, which is very annoying. So normally when you press any button, you can see that my Nintendo Switch Pro controller is searching. It would wake up your Nintendo Switch. Sadly, that is no longer the case. It does automatically connect. So when I turn my Switch 2 back on and press any button, it will automatically connect in a couple of seconds, but it will no longer wake up your Nintendo Switch 2, which is a bit annoying, but at least it does still work. Anyway guys, it's as easy as that to connect your Switch Pro controller to your Switch 2. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. Until next time guys, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.